Welders, this one's for you. A little while back, we realized there aren't many respirators on the market that fit comfortably under most welding helmets. Introducing the Moldex 7900 Series Low-Profile Welding Respirator. Built to work seamlessly with Moldex semi-rectangular filters and cartridges, the 7900 series delivers enhanced comfort and dependable protection from welding fumes, gases, chemicals, and airborne irritants. Designed to work with most popular welding helmets, the 7900 series is quintessential Moldex, a beautifully designed piece of PPE that fills an obvious gap in the market. Welders now have a half-mask respirator that brings ideal fit and protection while prioritizing comfort at the same time. For more on the 7900 series and everything else Moldex has to offer, visit Moldex.com. Moldex, ideas that wear well.